When I was working in an office back in the 1980s, I used an old IBM computer, which of course was state-of-the-art back then, and the keyboard looked just like this one. Got some nostalgia when I opened the box and looked at it. But it's a bit different from the one back then. My keyboard back then, when I hit the key, didn't do that. Let me turn this light off. Look at that. It runs on well, you can connect 3 different ways. You connect through Bluetooth, which I use. You can use a USB-C cable, which is included. Or you can use a dongle, which is on the back right here. On the back here, you got the selection for Bluetooth or the dongle. I've got it set to the dongle right now because my computer's on, and if I hit the keys, I don't want it messing up whatever's on the screen. You charge it with the USB cable. You can check the charge by holding down Function and Enter. You see the 1 through 0 keys? That tells you your charge. It's fully charged right now, so it's up to 0. These lights are changeable. You can change the brightness, the color, the patterns, speed. Not going to show you how because I've got it set the way I like it. And I'm not going to change it because I'll never get it back. This thing is heavy. That is heavy. Look how thick it is. It's got 2 height adjusters. Well, 3. You can lay it flat. You kick out these little ones right here. Or kick out the big ones. Let's see, where's the USB? Oh, okay. Here's the USB port, C port, to charge it with, or to run from the keyboard to the computer and use it like that instead of Bluetooth or the dongle. It's smaller than my old keyboard, which I have right here. That much smaller, look at that. But you know what? I like the nostalgic feel. When you hit the keys, it's like being back in the 80s when I was younger. When I was still looking at people my age saying, dang, they're old. Now I'm old. It also comes with these other keys. Don't ask me what they're for. I looked it up, I couldn't understand. It's for smarter people than me, which is a lot of people. And a key puller. Something about taking out these keys here, putting these keys in to raise them up for other functions. They have a lot of different functions on them. I don't care about those other functions because I'm old. I use it to surf the net, play some games, whatnot. But I have a feeling that this little keyboard is going to take care of just about anything you need it to do. You can download new or latest firmware and software for it. Haven't done that yet. I probably should. I might. I don't know. I like it the way it is. All in all, I regret giving it a 5-star because I can only give it 5 stars. I'd like to go back to a 10-star system so I can give it 10 stars. All that just to say, I really like it. Hope you do too. Bye.
Greetings. This is a quick review and sound check of the Royal KLUDGE F99 mechanical keyboard. And this board has silent linear switches in it, which I have been very pleased with. It doesn't quite sound thocky, but it does have good tone. It's a great typing experience. It's a very nice little keyboard. It's got a decent amount of heft. As you can see, it's a 98%, so some of your function keys are missing, but it does have arrow, it does have full number pad. Some of these keycaps are a little scrunched to make room for everything, so be mindful if you decide to swap out the keycaps. Most nice keycap sets are going to come with the various sizes you'll need, so you should be in pretty decent shape. We got a USB-C connector on the back, and we have adjustable feet on the bottom, which is awesome. We also have the wireless 2.4 gigahertz or Bluetooth, and the dongle lives in the back, which is great. Again, decent heft, has a good sized battery in it. It lasts quite a while on the battery. I did not run into any problems with battery life, even with the RGB on. So let's go ahead and plug this guy in. The RGB is not particularly bright, and with my lighting you really can't see it. So, but let's get on to the sound check. Here we go. What do you think? Not bad. This keyboard would do really well in an office that won't tolerate louder keyboards. Still a little bit of clunk out of the space bar, so some insulation might help there, or maybe just a different switch with a little bit more spring pressure, like an inky black. But yeah, great little keyboard. Hope you liked it.
The charging cable, and let me see. And this is the silent keys. You can also get the kind that make a sound, but I like to, if I'm typing at night, I don't want to wake anybody else up. This is really sturdy and heavy, and there's the where you plug into the keyboard, the wireless, and I like to have my keyboard tilted up a little bit when I'm typing. So, yep, that feels really good. I like that action. So I think I'm going to be happy with this keyboard.